Welcome to Softreviewed. In this video, I just want to update you with a new model release. DeepSeek just launched its long-awaited model, DeepSeek version 3.1, as you can see here. The main improvement is that it has got like a thinking, non-thinking interface, so we can control when to think and when not to think. And the thinking speed has also improved in the DeepSeek v1. When you compare it with the R1, it will think through faster. And the strongest change is with the agentic skills. So that's the main change that they are highlighting. So the context window is 128K context window. It did not change. Now it supports Entropic API so they have a new pricing plan here. Now for the current pricing, we can go here. So we have two models, DeepSeek Chat, the non-thinking model, and DeepSeek Reasoner, the thinking mode. So the context window for both is 128K. It supports JSON output function calling, chat prefix completion, FIM completion. Now DeepSeek is having two pricing options. The discount will continue till September 5th. As you can see, it will follow this discount for $7.07 and 0.27, and for 1 million token it will cost around 1.10, and late nights and morning time it will cost only like 0.55 cents for 1 million token. Like huge difference is there, and this is only applicable September 5th, and once after that it will switch to a default pricing of $1.68. So the prices are going up, so this will be the default pricing after September 5th. Again, these are some of the benchmark score. As you can see, DeepSeek v1, when you compare it with the previous DeepSeek version, there is a huge jump. It jumped from 45 to 66 for Swebench verified, and Swebench multilingual capabilities jumped from 29 to 54. This is like a huge jump, so it can handle more languages now. And also with the terminal bench also, it had a huge improvement from 13 to 31.3. For DeepSeek R1 also, it's only 5.7, but this is like a huge improvement for all these benchmarks. This benchmark actually shows the browser comp and expense deep search and seal measures how well the model can follow the instruction that require using tools or web browsing, which is crucial for like real world automation and research tasks. So v3.1 is much stronger in these skills. So improvement in simple QA and shows you like it is better at answering straightforward and context-based questions. This means better automation, better multilingual support, better user experience, and more reliable browser agent. This shows that how efficient the new v3.1 is. It uses fewer words to actually solve the same problem, but still gets the answer as often or more often. Example on AME 2025, right? The older AI wrote like around 22,000 words and got around 87.5 of the answers right. The new one solved the same in 15,000 words and got 88.4% of it correct. The benefit is that it thinks fast and use less energy, and it's just got smarter. So that means you will get more quick and direct answers. The AI use like fewer tokens, and it's less likely to ramble or write long unnecessary explanation. So if you want to get access to the new version, you can come to chat.deepseek.com here, and you can type in a query. So as you can see, the DeepSeek, the total parameter is 671 billion parameter, and the total number of active parameters are like 37 billion parameter, and the context window is 128K for both DeepSeek v3.1 and DeepSeek v3.1 base. And you can also see the full benchmarking score here if you want to get more in-depth details on each of the benchmarks. So if I come to Open Router here, we can see instead of the 128K token, we are getting like 164K token here. and you get the two version, the 3.1 base version and 3.1 the normal version. So use this only if you want to give your own information. And see, this is trained for raw text prediction, right? It's non-instruction following. Prompt should be written as examples, not simple requests. So this is not for the daily users. If you have like more, if you have like more custom use case, then you can use this. For most of us, we need to use this version, DeepSeek v3.1. So it's trained to follow our prompt. This one is for building AI from scratch or doing some prompt engineering and development. The base version is for technical specialist and custom AI pipeline builders. That's not for most use cases. And usually we have a free version that's available from DeepSeek when a new version is released, but when I checked it now, we are not getting the free version now. We have the older free version, but not for the 3.1. So also keep that in mind. Try switching to this new model and let me know if you are seeing any improvements in the comments. I hope this was helpful. If you learned something new, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.
Click that thumb and join the dream. Stay in the loop with the latest vibe. Hit that bell, come on, subscribe.